The other class we have that I hadn't mentioned yet is we basically teach a home maintenance type course. And the home maintenance, I gear it towards teaching you how to maintain your home once you buy one, and pretty much everybody's going to own a home hopefully at one point in time, and kind of show you the expense of maintaining a home, especially if you hire everything done, where there's many things that the common person, they might seem to be a little bit out there, a little bit above you think your understanding, but they can be extremely simple and inexpensive for you to do. We get into some basic plumbing, we get into basic electrical. Right now we're currently doing some furniture repair. We're going to get into some small engines, because these are all things that for myself over the years that I've taken on as far as a homeowner and done a lot of my own repairs and have saved a lot of money. So it's just to help give everybody an understanding of different things and give them a little bit of background knowledge, so that if they choose to take it on themselves, I'm kind of giving them the tools to do it, the mental tools, so that they can take and make a decision as to whether or not they need to hire someone or if it is doable by themselves. I like dealing with all aspects of our student body, from those who just choose to develop a career, you might say after high school, go straight to work, kids that want to go to Vantage, kids that just want to learn a hobby, or students that want to pursue it as a profession. And there's lots of areas that we touch upon that they could choose, once they got some background knowledge, they could choose to do it as a profession also.